I'm Carly Burke, and welcome to An Actor's Library. I am doing a book review in a library today, not my library. I'm actually on a cruise ship. This could also be a part of An Actor Travels and An Actor's Pantry, and you'll see why in a moment. I am currently on a cruise ship, so I'm traveling, and I'm in the cruise ship's library. And the title of this book, and the ship's not even rocking, y'all. That was actually me hitting the tripod. The title of this delightful book is called The Townsend Family Recipe for Disaster. I discovered this book at a lovely little bookstore in New Orleans that my cousin's friend told me about. It's called Baldwin and Company, named after James Baldwin, Black-owned bookstore. And I was shooting a film in New Orleans maybe about a month ago, and I was just looking for something light. And this book is just delightful. I don't want to tell you everything because I resonated with everything in this book, but the lead, like it's a movie, the main character in this story is May Townsend, and she is a biracial young lady. Her father was black and her mother white. And her father always went to North Carolina every 4th of July for the big family barbecue, but she was never invited to go. He always wanted to go by himself, so she always felt that she didn't know the black side of her family. And she's about to get married to a Caucasian young man from a very wealthy family. So they're in the middle of planning this elaborate wedding. Her in-laws own a winery, and so she's all involved in that side of the family, but she does not know the black side of her family. Cut to her father passes away, and she still doesn't know them, and now she's on her own. She's invited some of them to her wedding. Nobody's coming, and she knows that there's some family drama, but she doesn't know what it is. So then the grandmother on the black side of the family dies, and she decides, I have to go to North Carolina to meet my family. I have to know this, and I want the two sides of my family to blend and live happily ever after. She goes to the funeral, and everyone's giving her shade, and she can't figure out why. Like, everyone's, she introduced herself as her father's daughter. I forget his name at the moment, and immediately people are like, so it was very awkward, and she decides that she is going to throw the family barbecue, and she is going to recreate the grandmother's macaroni and cheese recipe, which nobody knows how to make. There's no recipe cards anywhere. There's not a book that says this is grandma's recipe. She decides that she is going to make this recipe, and she tries and tries, and she stays up late. She moves into the grandmother's. I'm giving away way too much. I just say, get this book. It is absolutely delightful. Shauna Robinson, how could I not say the author's name? She has several other books that now I want to read, but for me, I resonated with a lot of things. Of course, the macaroni and cheese, because y'all know I love to cook, and I wish she had included the recipe in this book. But particularly the belonging, the sense of identity, and wanting to connect with a family that you don't know. My family, my birth family, is in the South. I just met them about 10 years ago, and I know what it means to not be able to connect with a family, and then to find them or be in touch with them and to begin to have a relationship with them. So it was very meaningful. There were lots of things that I could relate to in this book, and I couldn't put it down. I couldn't put it down. So there you go. The Townsend Family Recipe for Disaster. It's a great book. Get it, read it, enjoy it, and then go out and make some mac and cheese.